Hello students, today we are going to start standard 7th subject maths chapter number 9 direct proportion and inverse proportion. Now in practice set 37 we will see direct proportion. Now see, if 7 kg onions cost 140 rupees, how much must we pay for 12 kg onion? That means 7 kg onion cost rupees 140, and how much of 12 kg will be the cost of? So let's start now. Let the cost of 12 kg of onions be rupees x. Now this 7 I will write here, 7 upon 140 equal to 12 upon, we don't know the cost, so we will write x. Now we will do the cross multiplication. 7 multiplied by x equal to 12 multiplied by 140. So 7x equal to 12 multiplied by 140. You can do your rough work. So you will get 1680. Now x I will put outside. Now 1680 upon this 7 I will write here down. Now x equal to, now in 7 table I will see 1680 how much are. So you can do cancellation also, or you can do the division. 7 1680. 7 in 7 table 16 doesn't come, so 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So 16 minus 14, 2, and here 8. Now in 7 table 28s are how much? 2, 7 4s are 28. Now here 0 and this 0 I will write 7 zeros are 0 and this 0. So 240s are. So you can write here 240. So x is equal to 240. Now therefore we will write, we pay rupees 240 for 12 kg of onions. Now let's see the second question. If 600 rupees buys 15 bunches of feed, how many will 1280 rupees buy? If 600 rupees buys 15 bunches of feed, how many will 1280 rupees buy? That means he is spending, or farmer is spending 600 rupees for 15 bunch of feed. Feed means chara, you can say, the food which cattle eat. And how many will 1280 rupees buy? That means 1280, how much bunches will become, you have to see that. Now see, let rupees 1280 buy x bunches of feed. 600 upon 15 equal to 1280 upon x, because we don't know the bunches. Now let's do the cross multiplication. 600x equal to 1280 multiplied by 15. So you can multiply in this way. Your answer will be 19,200. Now x outside, 19,200 upon 600. 0 0 cut. Now in 6 table 192. How much are? You can divide here and see, you get 32. So x equal to 32. That means 32 bunches of feed is required. Now let's see the third one. For 9 cows, 13 kg, 500 grams of food supplements are required every day in the same proportion, how much will be needed for 12 cows? Now in this, 9 cow is needed food supplement, you can say the food of cattle, that is the food supplement. So 13 kg 500 grams. So you can write, students, 13.5 also, because 1000, 1 gram is equal to 1000, so 500 is there, so that means this is the half. You can write 5 also, or you can write 500 also. Now let's see. Let 12 cows need x kg of food supplement. 9 upon 13.500 equal to 12 upon x. Cross multiplication I will do. 9 multiplied by x, 12 multiplied by 13.500. Now here 9x equal to, I will do multiply of this, I will get 16000. So here point is there, so 1, 2 and 3. After 3 number I will put point 1, 2 and 3. So here, so we will write only 162. X equal to 162 upon 9. So in 9 table 162 we can cancel and check. So we will get 18. So 18 kg of food supplement is required, okay, for 12 cows. Now see the fourth one. 12 quintal of soya bean cost rupees 36,000. What is the cost of 8 quintal of soya bean? Let the cost of 8 quintal of soya bean be x. Now 12 upon 36,000 and 8 upon x. Again I will do the cross multiplication. It will become 12x equal to 8 multiplied by 36,000. Now 12x equal to, we get answer 2,88,000. Now x outside, 2,88,000 upon 12. Now we will divide and see, or you can do directly here cancellation. So you will get 24,000. So the cost of 8 quintal of soya bean is rupees 24,000. Now fifth sum. The cost of 2 mobile is 16,000. How much money will be required to buy 13 such mobile? That means the 2 mobile is cost of rupees 16. Now let's see the 13 mobile will cost of how much. So let the cost of 13 mobile be rupees x. 2 upon 16,000 equal to 13 upon x. I will do the cross multiplication. 2x equal to 13 multiplied by 16,000. So you will get 208,000. Now x I will write outside upon this. Now I will do the cancellation, or you can divide and check. So you will get 1,04,000. So the cost of 13 mobile is rupees 1,04,000. So in this way you have to complete practice set. Thank you, students.